Chapter 11. Four Oxen and the Lion. Read the story about four friendly oxen who got into trouble. Once there was a farm near a forest. A farmer lived in a small house on the farm. He had four strong oxen. They had long, sharp and strong horns. They worked hard all day. They plowed the farmer's field and pulled his cart. After the work was done, they would graze in the beautiful meadow by the forest. These four oxen were very good friends. They looked after each other. When any animal came from the forest, they stood together. One would face the north, one would face the south, one would face the east, and one to the west. This would help them to see the approaching animal from every direction. All the animals understood that it was not wise to go near the four oxen. At night, they would return to their shed. They lived a very happy life. One day, a lion saw these oxen grazing. He was very hungry. He thought, what a tasty meal an ox would make. If I could catch one of them, I should have a feast. One day, the oxen had a quarrel. The grass is greener and juicier in the valley, said one of them. Let us go there. Oh, I don't like the grass there, said another. It is better on the side of the hill. I do not want to climb the hill, said the third ox. I'll graze here. I do not like any of the places of which you speak, said the fourth ox. Come with me and I will help you find the best grass you ever tasted. I am going to the valley, said the first ox. You three may go where you please. And I shall go to the hill, said the second ox. All of you are not my friends. And I, said the third ox, shall stay right here. You may all be sorry if you leave me. The lion may catch you. I am not afraid of the lion, said the fourth ox. And I am older than you and I know where the best grass grows. You better follow me. We will not do so, said the other three oxen. You are not our leader just because you are older. So, the four oxen went their own ways. One went to the valley. The lion was down by the river and saw the ox coming alone. He waited quietly until the ox was very near. Then he pounced upon him and killed him. New words. Forest. A large area of land covered with trees and plants. Horns. The substance of which horns are composed. Meadow. An open field covered in grass. Grazing. Grassland suitable for pasturage. Greener. Fresh green grass. Juicier. Full of juice. Valley. A low area of land between hills or mountains. Follow. Move or travel behind. Understanding the lesson. A. Answer these questions. 1. Where did the oxen live? 2. What did the oxen do for the farmer? 3. What did the oxen do after the work was done? 4. Why were the other animals afraid of the oxen? 5. Why did the oxen go their separate ways? 6. How did the lion take advantage of the situation? B. Reference to the context. Read these lines from the story and answer the questions that follow. 1. If I could catch one of them, I should have a feast. A. Whose words are these? B. Whom did the speaker want to catch? C. Why could the speaker not catch them? 2. You are not our leader just because you are older. A. Whose words are these? B. Did the others agree with the speaker? C. What happened to the oxen in the end? Vocabulary zone. Write the correct word in each sentence. Hungry, joy, shed, feast, quarrel. 1. What an ox would make. Hint, a special meal. 2. The boys had a last night. Hint, an angry disagreement. 3. Pratima was. So she ate all the sandwiches. Hint, a strong desire for food. 4. Grandpa built a beautiful for our pony. Hint, a small building. 5. Malika jumped for when she saw the puppy. Hint, a very happy feeling. Grammar fun. Read these sentences. They worked hard at the field. How did they work? Adverb of manner. I will go there tomorrow. When? Adverb of time. Let us go there. Where? Adverb of place. Underline the adverbs and state their kind. 1. We waited for him outside. 2. He works quietly in his room. 3. We went to the stadium yesterday. 4. She plays the violin beautifully. 5. Come here, please. 6. The telephone rang loudly. Write well. These pictures tell a story. Study the pictures carefully and then write the story in your notebook. You may use the words given in the box. A flock of pigeons live in a forest. Set out to find grains. Hunter sets a trap. Pigeons get trapped. Fly away together with net. Listening time. Listen to a story about two friends and fill in the blanks. 1. The two friends were walking through a 2. There were in the forest. 3. One friend climbed the on seeing the bear. 4. The second friend lay down on the 5. The did not harm the man. Speak well. Think about your friends and discuss these in the class. 1. Why do you like your friends? 2. Think of 3 things that you cannot do without your friends. 3. What do you do to make your friends happy? 4. Why are friends important in life? Listen to your classmates and observe how many of them have the same opinion as you do.